We're looking for love.
Yeah.
Oh man, you came to the wrong place.
Love the monkey.
Y'all keep asking.
The monkey. Ooh. Guys,
Who's
back? Welcome back to our channel.
We're back with a brand new banger.
And that's that monkey app video. You heard?
Yeah. Today's video, we're gonna be doing a monkey app video.
It's about for the love of monkey app, guys.
We're gonna see if we can find love.
Yeah. Right. I think we're all three beautiful ladies just trying to find love. Like, it's so hard to find love nowadays, so we're trying something new. We're trying a new merch, okay?
Yes.
It's your girl, Samora.
And it's your girl, Oh Hey Mackenzie.
And it's your girl, Delilah Ferrari.
And guess who's back, squad?
Gang.
Make sure you guys subscribe,
like,
And comment down below.
and let's get started.
yeah.
So, let's see if we're gonna find ourselves some boyfriends.
Our first contestant.
And guys, we never tell our age, so
A lady should never tell her age. New York.
yeah, man.
What's up, New York?
He's working at a corner store. My man can't be working at a corner store. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Unless he's the owner.
And then his
That
phone
way.
is not working. You don't
The
got Wi-Fi.
Crappy, right?
What's going on here?
Yeah, I'm fine with that, actually,
You
right?
should have
Yeah.
bagged that.
Hello,
Oh.
that's
That's
all
awesome.
Sandy.
Oh, that's on me. Okay.
Hey.
Yes, go ahead, boo.
Excuse me.
Go
Go
ahead,
ahead,
boo.
girl.
She
Go
pulled
ahead.
up
Go
real quick.
Okay, so
At
we're...
time.
Oh,
What's up though? What's up though?
what's up? We're looking for love, okay?
Alright.
So we have 3 questions for you.
I respect that.
3 questions.
Ask away.
Okay, number 1.
Ooh, okay.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
What's your
okay.
family?
What's your
You know
background?
me?
Like,
What's
who?
my background? I'm Nigerian and Puerto Rican.
Wait. Go back to the family part. You live with your wife, girlfriend?
No. I live with my mother, my sister, my nephew, and my mentally challenged uncle.
Okay.
What, if you don't mind, what kind of mentally, like,
He's
challenge?
well, I call it mentally retarded, but
Oh.
people take it like offensive when they hear that. So I say mentally challenged. He's 47 years old, but he act like he's 11.
Oh.
Okay.
So it's like
I
a,
grew up with
okay.
him, so you understand what I'm saying? So
Alright, so
yeah.
do you yourself see? Oh, I can't talk. Do you see yourself with this lovely young lady?
Well, the way I would judge you, if you don't mind,
Okay, go ahead.
because first impressions are everything with me. So what I like about you is that you're well spoken. You look very pretty. You know, you look mixed. She look mixed. You feel me?
sound
You do
loud,
look
honey.
mixed. You feel me? You don't look like you black,
Oh.
even though that's stereotypical. You feel me to say? Because I'm not black,
100%
Nigerian, Puerto Rican. But you do look older than 21. You look like you could be like 25.
Break it down, honey.
You just
Okay.
broke your
He
whole
just
life
broke
together.
it.
No, he didn't even crack the surface.
And I don't know if you're single because you
She
seem like you're
is.
single. You feel me? But you seem too beautiful to be single though. And
You know
and
what?
your sisters are very beautiful too.
Very.
Thank you.
You know what I mean? I guess the company you keep, you attract who you are. You know what I'm saying?
That's a fact.
I like that.
You feel me? So what's your story though?
Wait, we're not finished with the questions, sir.
So what's up?
Do you have kids?
No, I do not.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Are you
I've
talking
been
to a
single
girl?
for 12 months.
Are you talking to anyone?
12 months?
Yeah.
Damn.
Are you in love?
No.
Ooh,
Said that real quick.
his lips
So
came out.
why-
That's when you know it's
You say that, see, I just got out of a relationship 12 months ago, so I'm the type of person, I don't jump into another relationship right away. I like to get to know who I'm dealing with. You know what I'm saying?
okay.
So that's just me.
All right. You have any more questions?
How tall are you?
I'm 5'9".
Okay.
I can hear the Spanish in his voice.
Aww.
Yeah.
You speak
She
Spanish?
found her Meg. Ding, 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 ding,
Damn,
ding.
fucking match.
¿Qué tú quieres que te diga, mi amor?
Oh.
Wait a
All right,
minute.
so she's gonna message you on here, right?
Most deaf.
Yes.
Alright, say no more. I'll send you my number.
All right.
Aww.
Next.
At least both of y'all just gonna be single, y'all. I'm just gonna be single.
All right, this here right here.
months, so we didn't get to ask the question.
All right, Samora.
No.
So,
No.
hello.
Hey.
Why?
Hi, we're looking for love for our friend.
Excuse me.
How insulting.
No, I'm not.
Oh,
No.
guys,
No.
they had a time.
Why do I have to get the creep one?
He look like
a
a creep.
creep.
He just look young, but we
He
don't
look
know
young.
how.
Exactly, he looks young.
You're young,
Yeah.
Samora.
I don't want 21 either.
Oh, and
That's
oh,
Yo,
that's
I'm
my
so
name.
picky when it comes to men. Like,
Yo, hello.
Oh,
that's all you.
Hello.
that is you. That you want a first time? That's you.
How can we even hear? Oh, you want to fight? He's like, yo.
Oh, sat down 39. Yes.
Yeah.
You is not 39.
Why you lying? Why you capping?
He like 17.
12.
Add some time,
I can
because my
see.
friend looking for love.
19.
Add time.
Wait, my shit say 70, 30, 39?
Yeah, why would you put that time? How
You
old
like
are you?
17.
I said time.
Nah, slow down. I'm 20. But nah, let me stop. I'm 18.
You 17.
Yo, you said mad ages
Nah.
just now.
Are you gonna tell me I got a whole tattoo? You think I'm getting this at
So,
17?
yeah, you gotta be 18.
Yeah,
Oh,
your
well,
friends
what
could
am
have
I
did
saying?
it.
Your mom could have went with you.
In New York, you think my mom's is going with me? Like,
Yeah.
y'all look like models and shit.
Thank you. So my friend here, she's looking for love, right? You're underage. Oh, he's 17. Yeah. Sorry.
Oh no.
Like, Jack, I'm 17.
Wait,
I
what?
got 18.
He's at 18. I was
He's
gonna
too
tell him that
little.
he's on YouTube and see his reaction, but whatever.
Yeah.
He's too
He's
little.
too
He's
little
at
anyway.
18.
He's 21.
Yo,
Yo.
What's that?
good.
Hey, come to the camera.
You said what?
Go back.
Call me back.
That's so deep. Let me stop being mean.
We haven't gotten anything.
So we got
Yes, we did. Hello.
Oh, some more honey. Some more. Don't hurt me now.
All right, girl. Get it, girl.
Once I got that swag.
That's a bird.
What y'all doing?
Oh,
Looking for
We're
you.
not doing anything.
Oh,
Where y'all from?
We from New York City.
Where?
Go ahead. You looking for
Yeah.
From New York.
Oh, type shit. What y'all having a party or some shit? What y'all doing?
No,
We're
we're
actually-
trying to find
yes.
love.
We're trying to
I'm
find
trying
love.
to find a boyfriend, a sugar daddy, or whatever you call it. So,
Funny as hell.
yeah, I need to ask you some questions.
Alright, go ahead.
All right, you single?
Are you single?
You heard.
You single, all
Where-
right? So, who you live with?
I live with my peoples. I just got done with school. I work.
Okay.
How old are you?
Wait, what are you studying?
Oh, don't move.
Nah, I'm getting
Whoa,
too excited.
fight. She's like,
what are you studying?
Business administration and
at time.
oh shit.
Dad did it on purpose.
No, Daddy, 2 seconds. He's gonna call back. Damn, that's crazy.
Oh, see,
I looked at 2 seconds. I was like, at time. Hello. Is he frozen?
No.
Nah, he acting like he frozen. I can't.
We see you breathing. We see your dress moving.
Myra.
Oh, why y'all on top of each other?
Hey, can I sit one in a blonde? How you doing?
Hello. How old are you guys?
Nah, fuck you. I want to see her.
I moved you, dumbass. Yo,
Hello. Some more, bro.
Yo, it's good.
What's that?
Hey, what's up? We're looking for love.
yes.
Oh man, you came to the wrong place.
Oh,
why you say that?
At time.
He's not talking.
Yeah.
Oh, he was saying
One at a
bye.
It's
time.
a waste
For
of time.
Hello.
Ooh.
What's that?
Hi.
At time.
Time.
Oh,
Hello.
he's not even out of time. I'm over here fiending. Oh.
I didn't think it was gonna really ask.
Let me see
Okay.
your hair. Okay. Why you doing that?
Y'all stupid. Where you from? New York?
He's really cute.
New England.
He's
Why you
really
guys sitting
cute.
on the table like that?
He's really
Because
cute.
we
trying to find love,
we're trying
alright?
to find love on Monkey app.
And you're one of the
Yeah,
contestants.
we're hungry.
That's not gonna happen.
Not with
Why?
you. Not with you.
Cause that's just far fetched.
Are we gonna? Can we find it with you?
Oh no.
Why?
I'm up here trying to. I'm just trying to pass time at work. Chill.
So you don't like, you're not looking for. Oh,
Bye.
damn, the rejection is real.
No, he felt intimidated. That's why.
Yep.
I like.
I was this close to finding mine.
Yeah, and then
Hey, why there's so much money? Where the money?
What happened? At time.
What's that?
We got bougie bitches right here. What's good?
Excuse you?
Okay.
Excuse
whatever.
you?
Y'all all look bougie. Y'all all look bougie.
You look
and you
bougie.
look
Alright,
broke.
we supposed to look bougie. I'm supposed to be bougie.
And you look broke.
And you look bougie.
I'm never broke though, baby girl. We can definitely make some coins.
And he's
Okay. Say less.
It's all about the coins, you know.
where? Where they at though?
She wanna fight.
It's all over the place. You just gotta find it.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yo, you be coming
Damn,
at their
Mackenzie.
neck, Mackenzie.
Jesus
Also,
Christ.
They scared, honey. I don't know what's going on.
Cause 3.
Oh, he got his lips in the camera.
He got his
Go ahead, let's
juicy
see it.
lips. Extra juicy. Look how he lick it. Lick it again. Lick it
He
again.
has nice teeth.
One more time. You know you want to do it. You just did it.
What's that?
What happened?
We're looking
what
for
you
love.
doing?
Where y'all from?
New York City.
Oh, he from the South. Got the accent.
Yeah, how you know?
Got the accent.
Look at him. How you look?
Like you from the South.
He look like he's...
You guys look
16.
young. How old are you?
I'm 19.
Oh yeah, you're young.
Oh, now, oh my god, girl.
Hey.
Hi.
Um,
That's a good one.
What's up?
Hey, hello.
Hi.
What's up, ladies? How y'all doing?
Hey, my friend is looking for love.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, is that true?
Mhm.
Are you taking?
Yes.
At
Oh,
time.
he's taken.
No.
He's taken. Once he said he's taken.
He's lying. That took too long to
Yeah,
answer.
Oh damn!
Alright,
40
that's
minutes
it.
already. Up to.
Hello?
Hello. Hi, handsome.
Why you sound like you're crying?
Our friend is looking for love.
Hey, follow me on this thing. I don't know how to do it.
Are you single?
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you?
22.
Okay. Who do you live with?
Myself. My
Oh.
house.
Do you have a job?
Yeah, I own a construction company.
Oh, that's
Well, we
dope.
have a friend. She's looking for love. Are you available?
Yeah, actually, that's funny. Why?
Oh, how do you?
Hello.
How tall are you?
Jesus Christ.
5'11".
Not bad.
Okay. Do you like what you see here?
Yeah, she's beautiful. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions for her?
Right.
How tall are you?
I'm 5'9".
Oh, I like that. I like that. Where are you guys from?
We're from New York.
Okay, I'm
What
from
about you?
Florida.
Oh,
Oh,
what
you
part?
are not that far.
Yeah, not at all. Not at all.
What part?
I'm from Miami.
Oh, how many
Alright.
rooms do you have?
Boats?
How many
I got
bed-
One big.
Oh, you got a boat. I never said boat, honey. I said rooms.
Oh, rooms 3.
Okay.
So you and him. I get one, and you get one.
All right, later.
Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to
Alright,
you.
later, y'all.
He was nice.
nice.
Samora, that's you though.
I guess, yeah.
He was cute. He was cute.
So everybody found love but me?
Let's get you now.
Diana got like 3.
Diana's gonna give a man.
I would have had 2.
Yeah, no, you would have had a fine one too.
I would have had a fine one.
Too bad. This is it right here. It's all you, Mackenzie.
Oh!
Yes.
Look, they looking for love. Them too.
Yeah, it's your turn next.
Yeah.
Where y'all from?
New York City.
Oh.
Hey, what's up? What is up?
What up?
At time.
Alright.
Serious question.
Yeah.
Ask him if you have friends
Okay,
in the room.
so do you have friends in the room?
Yeah, I got friends in the room.
Let me see them.
Oh.
Hey, friends. Hey, hey. Okay.
Hey, how y'all doing?
We good. So we're trying to find love. And it's just so funny that it's 3 of y'all and it's 3 of us.
What? What the
Yeah, so I might as well add. Y'all might as well add one of y'all might as well add me on Instagram.
Instagram.
Yes. Y'all from down south? Where y'all from?
I'm down south.
I'm from Mississippi.
Oh, y'all from Mississippi.
Mississippi.
Yes. Love the accent.
We from New York City.
Gang, gang.
New York City.
You guys should follow us on YouTube.
So we do YouTube.
We play football at Ohio State. We just from Mississippi though.
So who won?
Okay.
We won, baby.
At time.
I'm dead. At least he said baby and not like nigga.
Right, bitch.
Right. Oh, his
She's
girl.
so cute. Oh, who's
That's your
calling
girlfriend
you?
calling you?
Girl.
Yeah, this is girl call. I don't know what they.
I thought he was single.
Trifling.
Feel like
So
he was
how
broke up
old
to
is you in the middle with the green?
How old do I look?
videos.
Y'all gonna be on YouTube, right?
Too late. Can you please come to the
Okay.
camera?
Oh,
Okay,
shit.
a couple.
Oh,
That's not my name.
Mackenzie.
A couple questions, sir. Okay.
Wait.
So our friend right here, she's looking for love.
What's wrong with you?
You got your friends with you?
You trying to hook your friend up?
Yes.
Yes.
This lovely
So
lady
trying
right
to
here.
find
We're
her
all looking for love.
It's your turn.
We're all looking for love.
Y'all gotta go on a dating show.
Yes,
We
so we're
are.
trying to
We're
do
on the
for the love of monkey.
Nah, hell no.
We are on the level. You're on the level monkey.
For the
Check that shit out on YouTube, okay?
If you trying to find love on her, you gonna have to shuffle through a whole bunch of weird motherfuckers.
Well, we
Are
shuffling
you a
through
weird
you right now.
Do I seem weird?
No.
Come on, weird.
Well,
So
okay,
this
so
is why it's
we're
a love
shuffling
monkey.
through you.
Do you want to date her?
Where y'all from?
Do you want to date her?
Would she date me?
No,
Oh,
you
that's
don't want
right,
to.
you're right. We have
I was
a couple
about to ask you
questions.
some questions.
Right.
Yeah, I date your friend. She fly.
Do you have kids?
Do you have kids?
Nah.
At time. Oh, I'm thinking.
She like what she see.
Y'all get retarded.
Do you who do you live with?
I live with myself.
Okay.
Do you have kids?
He said no already. All right. How tall are you?
So you.
Because I'm pretty tall.
What?
6'2".
Wow. Ding ding
6'2",
ding.
okay.
Ding, ding,
Ding 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 ding.
Y'all dragging me. I'm going to follow you on here.
She found another sucker.
All
You
right.
gonna follow me?
Huh?
You gonna follow me, but what you gonna do after you follow?
We're going to talk. Where you from?
Right?
You
I
seem
need
a little...
to exchange. Little something, something.
Oh, she's in New York.
Shut up. Yo, she's snitching on me already.
But we need to make sure she's financially stable. What kind of job do you have?
I work in a warehouse.
Right,
Wait, I
so...
want to see some money.
We don't want to
Show
see it. We
some
want to have
cash.
it.
Show some cash.
She got a cash app too.
Huh?
You
She
trying
got
to
a cash
cash out
app.
some money?
Why would I cash out?
You just said you want to see some
wanna-
money.
Why
so
would
you
you
gotta
want
send
to
me
see
some
the money? Right.
You gotta let me finish. You gotta let me finish. You in New York, I'm right here. I can come see you. Alright.
Ding, 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 ding.
Not so fast.
I wanted to tell him to take the do-rag off real quick. But...
It was a hat.
No shade. Hat, whatever it was.
Liar.
Mackenzie.
Please exit that out.
Woo! Yes, Daddy.
Yo, she's so annoying.
Okay, I like not move back like that.
Ferrari. Okay, look at
What's
y'all.
up?
Bad joints.
What's up?
What's
You look like
going
Tank,
on?
Who is Tank? I don't know Tank.
the artist.
Thank you. I guess that time.
Please don't
Where y'all
go.
from?
Please don't go.
Tank.
Where y'all from?
Oh,
Found a number ahead in my pocket.
Where y'all from?
oh. Now we're from New York.
I'm from New York too.
What part?
Buffalo.
Oh, that's not New York, but okay. How tall are you?
Right.
6'1".
Okay.
not bad.
You got a job?
Yeah.
Where do you work?
I'm a substitute teacher.
Okay.
Different things, honey. You don't need to
Um,
fuck with these fuck boys.
Do you have any kids?
No kids. I'm 24 with no kids.
You're not married?
Oh, you're the same age.
You 24?
Nah, I ain't married.
Wow.
Are you talking to any girls?
Of course.
Nah, I'm focused on one thing. That's chasing the bag.
That's her.
That's a fact. That's a fact. All right, I guess I got a match.
Yeah.
What's your Instagram? She gonna go follow
Ding,
you.
ding, ding.
Polo Marco 716.
See, mine's is just
That's
easier.
long.
Polo
It was-
Marco 716. Damn.
Maybe she's the all of the match.
No, because it was very clear.
Huh?
All right, you gotta follow her. It's Forever
Samora.
Samoa.
Samoa.
Oh my god.
Samoa.
Huh?
How you spell that?
SAMORA.
Why don't you just give her my number? Damn. Oh, y'all beautiful. No cap.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all asked the time, follow me or something. Where y'all from?
We're from New
follow
York.
How you gonna say after time follow me or
And
something?
didn't add time. All right, guys. This was an epic
Fail. I'm sorry.
fail.
No, I wouldn't say a fail because y'all got y'all some boyfriends.
You too.
And
got
the
multiple.
one guy wanted you didn't add time.
I didn't. Oh, y'all wanna fight? It wasn't that I didn't add time. It was
My hand slipped.
Listen, no. They saw 2 seconds. Why the hell y'all didn't say add time? I would have quickly. The whole video they've been telling me to add time. Why y'all didn't just tell me to add time that one time?
It's all good.
And I'm gonna be into it. Like it was getting juicy. Like why would I do that?
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment, yo.
Yes. Hashtag Ferrari, Ferrari sisters, Ferrari gang, whatever you wanna call us.
Oh, hey,
Mackenzie.
Oh, hey, Mackenzie.
Yeah.
We got hey Mackenzie up in the building, y'all.
Right, guys, make sure you comment down below. Let us know how you truly feel, and let us know if you guys want to see more. Because
We know you do.
You know,
We
for
know
the
you
love
do.
of the monkey.
Y'all keep
The
asking.
monkey. Ooh, ooh. Nah.